Hi there, Charles. It's Marcy Hutton here. I spoke with you earlier about shooting this custom video for you guys. Now, I'm going to show you in this video 3 things that you could do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now, it wouldn't surprise me if you were asking yourself, why is she doing this, making videos for people? Well, the reason that I do this is because when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their own business to learn how it can actually work to their benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation that they have to hiring someone is that they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things that they can do to impact their business for free, it's resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hand and saying, would you please do this for me? So if by the end of this video you liked what you heard, you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, then we can chat. Or if by the end of the video you simply want to take these free tips that I gave you and do it yourself, that works for me too. Now the 3 things that I'm going to go over are content, citations, and backlinks. And these 3 things are the most powerful factors in helping to get your website in front of more eyes. So when I say content, what I'm referring to is what I've got highlighted here. The information, the words, the images that you have on the home page and throughout your site. Google loves content. So Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on the homepage of a site. Reason being is that, when they come across a site new to the web, they go in there, they crawl the whole thing. They want to know every detail. They want to know all of the services that you offer and what location you're offering them. This is because then later on, they'll know if somebody types that in, that that's what they're searching for, they'll know what to match it up with. They want to give the best results, offer up the best results to their searchers, because they don't want them leaving their search engines. That's how they make money. So you can see where if you have 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your homepage, that's going to help them out. They're going to see if they see a site, if they've got a site in their archives there that's got 100 words and then another one with 1,500, they're going to see the one with 1,500 words as being the expert in the market. And that's why they'll show them higher up in the search results. Now, as far as your images go, that's another opportunity. Google doesn't see anything they read. So you can see this is just a bunch of letters and numbers. So you could have easily named that, named the picture pressure washing, and better yet, pressure washing Vancouver, or pressure washing Burnaby, or pressure, whichever area, all of your pictures can be named in that manner. Typically, the type of things that people are going to be typing in up there. So content's an opportunity that you have for sure. Just go out and get more content and better content than all of your competitors, and eventually these things, they're not overnight, but eventually it's just a matter of time, and your site's going to work its way up onto the being more visible. So the second thing, citations. Citations help you to get higher up in this section here. And first of all, what a citation is it's a place on the internet where you would find your exact business name, address, and phone number. So directories, you see free directories where you can list your business, 411, Yellow Pages, Yelp listing, all those type of, there's literally thousands of them. So the more places that your business is cited, Google goes and crawls the web, and they see you all over the place, tells them that you're a legit business, first of all. And then how it helps you, secondly, is if you were to go out and list your business in far more, all these things, beat your competitors, in more directories than all the rest of the businesses in the market, then that's going to push you up, with, of course, the goal being in one of these 3. Statistics show that probably about 50% of the clicks that go on sites from the first page of the search are one of these 3. So it's a great place to be. Now down here in this section, we call this the organic section. So that's going to lead me to the third thing, the backlinks that I'll explain. They help to get you up in this section. And a lot of times this section, the same businesses will quite often be showing up in here. They'll kind of mirror each other. So what a backlink is, first of all, is it is a link from a third-party site on the internet linking back to your site. And how that helps you, if you, simplest way to explain this is if you think of the internet as being a big popularity contest, when other sites on the internet vote for yours, or aka link to yours, That in turn is going to push you up the search engine. Google's going to see you as being the popular one. You're getting all this attention from other sites on the internet. So that'll push you up. Now, in saying that, not all links are created equal. You want to be getting your backlinks from reputable sites that have been on the internet for a while, and sites that Google trusts, and sites that are relevant to what it is that you do. So what I'm seeing here is that there aren't any links, so we're not getting any data. And what I did though is I took one of the sites that was down here organically. I grabbed this quality one, put that in there, and you can see they have 9 other websites on the internet that are referring back to theirs. They've got giving them 42 backlinks. They're being found for 158 words, and they're getting roughly 100 visitors to their site a month, clicking on their site each month. And of course, you don't have anything to compare this to. I look at these all the time. This is not really that strong, you know, very, very beatable. The content is usually quite beatable because most sites don't have a lot of content, so that one's really easy. Sometimes the backlinks can surprise us. You got a little work ahead of you. But here, and they were the second one, I think, let's just for interest's sake put these guys in here. See what they've got going on. So you can see the metrics here a little bit stronger. So 401 referring domains, giving just over 6,000 backlinks. Now, and I think this is more, I mean, I'm not positive, 4,000 keywords and about 4,000 traffic, but I do think they have many, many locations, this place, and that's why I grabbed this second one, to be a more comparable along the, you know, apples to apples comparison with your own business. So there you go. That's how that works, Charles. I'm going to email this off to you. As I said, I don't like to make these too long. I'm going to email this off to you and follow up to make sure that you did receive it and it didn't just end up in some folder somewhere. And I'm happy to answer any questions that you might have. Talk to you soon.